Hello beautiful people. Today in this video, I prepared this tasty and delicious meatball soup for you. It's another way to make it. It's also really delicious and perfect for these cold days. Honestly, something warm sounds so good right now. Come join me to make it. 500 grams of ground beef, which is 15% fat. Here I have about a quarter of an onion, finely chopped, and about a teaspoon of mint, also known as spearmint. I have about 2 tablespoons of rice. I'm also going to add 1 egg. Here is 1 clove of garlic pressed like this. Here is about half a teaspoon of ground black pepper. Here about half a teaspoon. Let's mix everything together until it's well combined. Here are our meatballs. To keep them from sticking to our hands, we're going to put a little water or oil on them. And now we're going to shape them here, like this. I ended up with 12 meatballs. Now we sear the meatballs here. Let's do the same on the other side. Once the delicious meatballs are perfectly seared, we're going to carefully take them out. Now, we are going to carefully blend together 5 ripe red tomatoes that have already been finely chopped, along with 2 distinct cloves of fresh garlic, a generous half a teaspoon of fragrant oregano, and a full half a teaspoon of earthy whole cumin seeds. Now we have the tomato sauce already well blended. Right here where we fried the meatballs, we're going to fry the pasta. Add a little bit of oil and a package of noodles. It's 198 grams, 2 types of noodles. One is very thin and this is the second, the thicker one. Let the noodles brown, and once they're golden, we add the tomato sauce. After the sauce has been boiling here for a few minutes, we add the water. It's important to add plenty of water, or you can use broth instead. If you have some left for the next day, it won't dry out. That way the soup doesn't dry up, and now we're going to add the meatballs here. They're going to cook there with the pasta, along with a medium potato that's already peeled and chopped. We add it here. Add 3 serrano chilies already well washed, a few sprigs of cilantro, also well rinsed, and a teaspoon of salt. Or to taste, depending on your preference. Then we cover it and let it cook. And look, after 17 minutes of cooking here, the meatballs with the pasta and the potato, I added a total of 7 cups of water. And if it needs more, add more so it doesn't dry out. So it doesn't end up dry, but just right, nice and brothy. I'm going to carefully add the freshly chopped zucchini right here into the pan. After a full 12 minutes of thoroughly cooking the zucchini, it will be perfectly ready to serve. Our rich and delicious noodle soup with meatballs,